What are you doing over there? That's not bad.
Oh, that was good.
Man, this beaver comes up behind us.
It is doing a beautiful day today here in PA, man. All right, guys. So I'm just testing. I'm just testing my new camera, as you can see, and I just got this camera like 2 days ago, and I freaking love it, man. I can't complain about it. Right now I had to go for gas because, as you guys can see, I'm in low in gas, and I'm gonna go and meet up with my friend Gio, and we're gonna try to fix his car. What happened was he was trying to do like a burnout or something like that. He exploded one of his tires, and well, pretty much that happened, and that was like 2 days ago when that happened. So I'm gonna go and meet up with him and see how damaged the tire is, you know. So let's go and see the tire. Man, it's a beautiful day. I'm just waiting for my oil pressure, oil temperature to go up like 180, so I can be good to drive. So let's go to Gio's house. He's waiting for me. I told him that I'm gonna be there in 20 minutes. It's been like 30 minutes since that I texted him, so I'm a little late. So see you guys when we get there. So 2 days ago I ordered like a new part for my car, and man, I'm excited to get it because, as you guys can think, no, I'm not gonna say think. If you guys know, my car is just like a little bit quiet, and with this part it's gonna be louder. Like, not lying, it's gonna be louder, and man, I can't wait for it. I'm gonna get it next week. It is supposed to come on when I think Thursday the 2nd in January. Man, I can't wait. Like, I just want to go install it. So this car is gonna be pretty much like straight pipe. Man, I can't wait to get it. And pretty much I'm gonna go to the dyno after that, because I need to get like a nice tune for it, like a pro tune. Oh man, I'm 3rd gear. No, I was in 4th. Damn. Okay, so sorry about that. I need to get like a pro tune for it, so I had to go to the dyno, and the closest dyno is like 2 hours and 30 minutes or something like that. So it is gonna be a long ride just to go to the dyno. But hey, if you want your car to be more powerful and things like that, man, you really need to go to the dyno. Well, pretty much I'm running 91 octane right now, and I want to get a tune for 93. So yeah, sorry about that. I'm just gonna turn over here. There's a car coming, and I don't give a shit. I'm vlogging, so don't interrupt me. And this guy is following me. I don't know why, but hey, I just got here. I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is. Is that Gio or who? I don't know who that is. I think that's Gio. Man, I love this zoom camera. I can never do that in my GoPro. But yeah, I think that's Gio. I'm not sure. So what happened?
I'll put this in your trunk.
Yeah, sure. So as you guys can see, we're gonna try to fix this tire over here. So are you gonna take it to a shop or what?
Yeah.
Where?
Same dude as last time. Oh, look how bare this tire is.
Oh crap, that's bad.
Too many burnouts.
I know. Damn. How? Why? Why?
That's an accident.
Accident? Huh? That was like 2 days ago. What?
What the hell?
What was that? What is that? Cookie?
Yeah, that's 2 days ago.
Look at that plate. Man. Last night I went to Sheets and I saw this hot girl and she parked next to me and she got out of the car and she was like, "Hey, I like your car." I was like, "Thank you."
Oh my.
I didn't say anything like to her. I was about to go and ask her for her phone number, but I was like, "Nope."
What?
She's a bitch. She was a hoe.
So?
What do you mean so? You wanna go for pictures?
Yeah.
After we drop the tire? Alright, sounds good.
You wanna get a gym membership with me?
No.
I
So-
need a new phone.
What?
I need a new phone, that's all.
I know you do.
Yeah.
Your freaking phone is like trash.
Yeah, it's I like it, but like...
Yeah. Get the new one. Maybe.
I'm not trying to spend $1,000 on that.
So guys, what do you think? Should Gio get a new phone or not? Comment below. Yeah, sure. Gio getting a new phone. iPhone 11 Pro. Come on.
I don't know about that.
Actually, it's not that bad today.
Yesterday was really nice.
Yeah, it was.
Christmas.
Yeah. What do you do?
Play soccer.
That's it?
Yeah, that's
Did you try the dip that I gave you?
it. Yeah.
You did?
Well, I didn't. Tyler wanted some, so I'm just like, and there was only enough for him, so I'm like, you have it, you have it.
Wait. There's a car coming.
Look at you.
There's a guy coming.
Anything?
Nope. You're good.
No, we're not.
Aw, come
Yeah.
on.
Trying to get us killed out here.
Oh my god. What's up, guys? Wait.
This is the worst turn ever.
Come on.
Alright, you
go.
watch that way. Good?
Go. Let's go.
I hate that turn so much.
I know you do.
When's the Dell play coming?
Maybe in 2 weeks. Next Thursday.
Really?
Yeah. 2nd. January 2nd.
Yeah.
I know. I said the same thing. I was like, oh yeah.
When are you gonna put it on?
I'm gonna take it to a shop and I'm gonna have them install it for me.
Are you doing that Sunday?
Sunday? This Sunday?
Like, Sunday after you get it.
Oh yeah, after I get it. So you guys have to imagine how loud this car is gonna be in 2 weeks. It's gonna be insane, man. I don't think I'm gonna be able to drive at night.
Yeah, well.
No, without get pulled over. Come on, get that. Safe zone. Safe zone. What's that lady? Oh, she said hi. Look at that guy. He's like, fuck my life. You're making good money, boy. Look at that car, man. Holy.
I'll have to get it. Is that what you want to replace it with? Another Goodyear? Or
It doesn't really matter, honestly. Whatever it fits.
okay.
Thank you.
So So right now I'm thinking they don't have the right tire for this. So I think they have to order it or something like that. And yeah, pretty much that. I can't believe that Gio fucking split this tire just doing a burnout. I saw this tire like a couple of days ago and it was like flat. That it needed air or something like that. And Gio went for it and do a burnout. Are they gonna fix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna go get a gym membership first for me?
No.
Damn, fine. I was gonna do it myself, but if you're gonna be like that.
I don't want a gym membership.
Well,
Why you wanna go to the gym?
I mean, because my mom called me fat.
You're not even fat. I'm fat. I'm fluffy. That's different.
You wanna try turning around here? Yeah, that'd probably be better.
Yeah, I just go this way. They're gonna be tired. Yeah.
We got plenty of
We are. Yep. Yep. We don't use GoPros anymore. Yep.
what's your GoPro?
Yeah. Are you guys smoking crack? That is how it is. Yeah, thanks, man.
You're about to fucking hit him. Don't wreck my truck. My sponge disappeared.
What?
My sponge. Damn sponge.
You put your window down.
Oh, yeah, sure.
The sponge. Damn sponge is missing. Waiting for pairing.
The fuck was that?
Exhaust.
Oh, shit. Wait. Dude. Yo. Holy.
I guarantee you probably heard it.
Yeah.
No, probably not. Music on.
Oh yeah, you're right. Seth, one time he was in a Subaru, he actually put it in drive whenever it I don't know, you just said you gotta go to the events. 3 dudes coming out of it.
Fuck, I'll take one. Why not? I ain't one. I'm Scott.
What are you sitting bitch or mine?
What?
Are you sitting bitch or mine? I think so. Huh?
No, you go first.
Fuck.
Yo, there's tape everywhere.
What are you doing over there? That's not bad.
No, that was good.
Granted, Beaver comes up behind us. Double tire fire.
Oh god.
I gotta go.
Oh yeah, you still can see the smoke.
We should have been more hard.
Yeah.
This is why you need a truck. Right, Gio?
Well, he's getting the truck.
Oh, you are?
I'm getting comments.
Oh shit. You really?
Yeah, I'm gonna trade in the
Dude, this thing does some good posi burnouts, bro. I got 2 tires. I got both tires to spin. He's probably like, you fucking asshole. I guess like 5 seconds.
Yeah, that was fun.
No, we treat them. Dump that out for different stuff.
Okay guys, so I was thinking to buy this truck and look at you over there. What are you doing, Gio? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so I was thinking to get this truck. This guy is telling me that he wants to sell it, and man, I freaking love it. I just went for a ride and man, this truck kicks. This thing is so nice, to be honest. And this guy is telling me that he can sell it for like 2 grand. I'm thinking about it, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna be in touch with this guy, and maybe in the future you guys are gonna see this truck in my driveway, maybe. So man, the only thing is the interior. The interior is like, it's not that great, but hey, we can fix this, and yeah, we can turn it to something else. We had to get a new seat, and definitely we had to window tint this thing to make it badass. Man, this is gonna be amazing if we can make this work properly for racing. I want to do it for racing, like a track racing and all that kind of stuff, because it's not 4-wheel drive, so we can do burnouts with it. So maybe, but damn, this thing is sweet. Hey bud. Hey hey bud, how are you? Yeah. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next one. So peace out. And I have the car over here, so yep, see you guys in the next one. Hey kitty. Hey.